Have you heard of the term foundation watering? Hi, Corey here again with Proven Foundation Experts, and I want to tell you just a little bit of why we recommend that most homeowners water their foundation in times of extreme drying, in your Junes, Julys, Augusts, and sometimes even into Septembers. Okay? Now, what happens is as we get into these hot, dry months where we have very little rain and very little moisture, the ground starts to dry and shrink. And that's really evident if you walk around, if you're very clay type area, you can start to see the ground cracking and splitting and spreading apart. Well, that drying happens all the way down and can actually go underneath of a shallow foundation. Well, what happens is as it dries, it actually shrinks out from under your foundation, and then the soil drops, creates an airspace, and then eventually your foundation drops, and that's what we call settlement. Okay, so when you get into extreme dry and you start to see the cracks that are out in your yard and up along the house especially, what we recommend is we like to water a foundation. And what that basically means is you go out there, you take a hose or a sprinkler, and you just basically water, mimic a light rain. A 30-minute rain is enough. You do that within 2 to 3 feet of the home, and you just mimic that light rain and put that moisture there so that ground has time to soak it up. We do this a couple times a week. It's plenty, but what that'll do is keep all this soil hydrated and swollen up so that it doesn't allow your foundation to settle. If you get into times of extreme drought, then you may want to do it once a day, but most seasons you can just get away with doing it a couple times a week. Anyway, that's the premise behind foundation watering and why it's a very important factor in foundation maintenance. I appreciate you watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook. Go to our website. Shoot me an email. Give us a call if you want any more information on this, or if you do have some active settlement, let us know. We can help you design a repair. I appreciate your time. Thank you.